There's a song that keeps playing in my mind, and whenever I hear it, the Boise streets seem to start swaying along with the melody. I can only hear within my thoughts. It's a song which I have always heard. The rhythms are flowing with each and every word. And as the melody starts to become clearer to my ears, it's a call from California, telling me that I've got to get away, to be nearer to my home. Listening to the waves of the California sounds in my mind. There hasn't ever been a more similar song one I could ever find. That plays out quite like the California sound in my mind. The waves of the sound surrounding with the volume I have never quite heard until today. For it's giving me a message which only my heart can hear, that I must come home again someday. I just need to fly away, listening to the waves of the California sounds in my mind. There won't ever be a more similar song I will ever find, that plays out quite like a California sound in my mind. It's a California sound in my mind. California sound in my mind. In my mind, there's a California sound.